Yeah, good evening to all. Good evening. Angel is there in the class. Mahaganathipate. Angel, leave a message in the group that the class has started already. Okay. Angel, note down the names of the students who are attending. Keep a record like that. So date wise, you put the date and write the students' names, those who are attended the class. That will be a record to me so that I can talk with the parents. And yesterday we are discussing real numbers concept. Yesterday we have seen some problems which I told you they are very much important for board exam. Even recent board exam also there is a question basing on the irrationality proof. Okay, one more model is there in that. There is a question like this. Prove that 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Prove that 2 plus root 3 is irrational. How to do this? See here. Considering, let us assume 2 plus root 3 is a by b. Root 3 is equal to a by b minus 2. Root 3 is equal to a minus 2b by b. We know a minus 2b by b is rational. And root 3 is irrational. So, root 3 is not equal to a minus 2b by b. Therefore, 2 plus root 3 is irrational. We can't prove like this. We cannot prove like this because it is not given that root 3 is irrational. See the problem. It is not given that root 3 is irrational. Then how can you take it here? Root 3 is irrational. We cannot take. Is that right, children? We cannot take it, na? Root 3 is irrational. It is not given. Then how can you take root 3 is irrational? So, before doing all this, we need to first prove root 3 is irrational. First we need to prove root 3 is irrational. After proving root 3 is irrational, then we have to do like this. Understand, children? Is that understood? Yesterday, whatever the problems we have seen, in that each and every problem it is given that root 3 is irrational, root 7 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, it is given. Okay, na? But here in the problem, prove that 2 plus root 3 is irrational, nothing is given over there. So first of all, we have to prove root 3 Okay, children? Now, as I told you, we are going to do some problems based on real life problems on LCM and HCF. Let us see one. Now I am giving 30, 70 to 432. Find the LCM and HCM of these three numbers fast. Find LCM and HCF of these three numbers, children, fast. Twenty-three students are joined out of 42. Teacher, note down the names, those who are joined. Put the date and note down the names. And show it to me every day in the class. I will put the signature over there, so that it will be a record like thing. So 30 prime factorization, 2 into 3 into 5, 72, 2 square into 3 square, I think 2 cube into 3 square, 2 cube into 3 square, Darsh, it's your 30 hai. And 432, 2 2s are 1 6, 108, 54, 27. So 2 power 4 into 3 cube. 2 power 4 into 3 cube. Now see, LCM I told you, different prime factors with the highest powers. Different prime factors with highest powers. So different prime factors are 2, 3, 5. Only these three. With highest powers, that means 2 power 4, 3 cube into 5. 2 power 4, 3 cube into 5. That is LCM. And HCF, common factors with least powers. 2 into 3, that's all. 6. HCF is 6. HCF is 6. ఇవాళ ఉగాది కదా, ఇవాళ చదువుకుంటే రోజు చదువుకుంటారట. ఉగాది రోజు కాసేపు చదువుకుంటేట రోజు కాసేపు చదువుకుంటారట. అదొక సేయింగ్ ఉంది, ఉగాది రోజు చదువుకోవాలి కాసేపు అని. మా చిన్నప్పుడు మేము చదువుకున్నప్పుడు అనేవాడు మా పేరెంట్స్, దే యూజ్డ్ టు సే దిస్, we need to read at least, we need to go through the books at least 1 hour on Ugadi day, so that it will be a continuous process in each and every day, because today is auspicious day. That's why I keep the class. Next, two positive integers a and b can be written A is equal to x cube y square and B is equal to xy cube. A and B are two positive integers. A and B are two positive integers. Okay. And A is equal to x cube into y square, B is equal to x into y cube. Where x and y are prime numbers. X and y are prime numbers. Now, find the LCM of A and B and HCF of AB. LCM of AB, HCF of AB. X and y are prime numbers. A and B are two positive composite numbers. A is prime factorization of A is x cube y square and B is xy cube. We need to find out their LCM and HCF. Why this much thinking, children? ఎంతసేపు ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు? Taking much time. As usual, LCM, different prime factors with highest powers. LCM is x cube y cube. HCF common prime factors with least power. xy square. LCM is xy square. X cube y cube. HCF is xy square. Next question. The HCF of two numbers is 145. HCF 145. LCM 2175 and one of the numbers is 275. Find the other number. No, 725. Children, see, there are two numbers whose HCF is 145. LCM is 2175 and one of the numbers is given as 725. Find the other number. Angel 435, Sahasra 435, Darsh 435, Srigandha Ashi Dibla 435. So everyone is giving their answers as 435. I think it is right. 435 is the correct answer. So how to do it? I told you na, B is equal to LCM into HCF by A. So 145 into 2175 by 725. So you get the answer as 435. Next question. The HCF of two numbers is 18 and their product is 12960. Find LCM. HCF is 18, product of two numbers. One two nine six zero. Find LCM. Do this, children. HCF of two numbers is 18 and product of two numbers is 12960. Find their LCM. $720 है. Yeah. So what to do? In order to find LCM, product of two numbers by HCF. Product of two numbers by HCF. That's all. Next question. Can two numbers have 15 as their HCF and 175 as their LCM? Give reason. Can two numbers have 15 their HCF and LCM is 175? Give reasons. Can two numbers have 15 as their HCF and 175 as their LCM? Is it possible? Give reason. Can two numbers have 15 as their HCF and LCM 175? Is it possible? No. 175 is not a multiple of 15. Or LCM is not divisible by HCF. So if it is divisible by, if LCM is divisible by HCF, is it possible? If LCM is exactly divisible by HCF, is it possible then? Not possible because its LCM is not exactly divisible by HCF. If we divide 175 with 15, 15 ones are 15, 25, again 15 ones are 15, 10 is remainder. So not possible. Okay na? See the next question. I will give you some problems here. You need to simplify and tell me in the standard form. 69 by 72, 368, 496, 473, 645, 1095 by 1168. Simplify these four numbers and tell their standard forms. Just you need to simplify that. (23 by 24 है. First one 23 by 24. Okay. 3 table I think. 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 4s are. 23 by 24 is right. First question answer. Now go ahead with the second one. (368, 496). This is simplification. 23 by 24. And what about the second one? 23 by 31. Huh? 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 4s are. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. 2 9s are, 2s are. 124. Again, 2 4s are, 6s are. 2 62s. 23s, 31s. 23 by 31 correct. Second one 23 by 31 right. What about the third one? (11 by 15). Which table you have seen? 11 by 13. Which table have you seen that? (11 by 15). How you arrange it? Means what is the common factor? What is the common factor for both the numbers, right? I am asking that. Everyone is writing 11 by 15. I think you are looking at the answer and saying it, eh? Or you are doing it on your own. Three है. How 473 goes in 3, right? 473. 4 plus 7 plus 3. It is 14 only. Not divisible by 3. Then how you know it goes in 43 table? Can anyone say? From answer, sir. So how you know that both the numbers are divisible by 43. How you know it? Anyone? Prime factorization. By which number you have done with directly 43? Eh? Rachel? And ma'am, what is my question is, how do you know that 473 and 645 goes in 43 table? Is there any logic behind it? That is what I am asking. Yeah, first you have tried with 11 table, right? That is what I am asking. 11 table you can. 11 4s are 44, 3 left over, 11 3 is 43. Next, 11 5s are 55. 95 will be there, na? 645 doesn't goes in 11 table. Four 73 is divisible by 11, but not 645. I think this is 43 into 11, eh? And this one 43 into 15. Except 15, 43 and 11 are the prime factors. So prime factorization, I think you have done it, prime factorization. 11 table, 11 4s are 11 3s are, both are prime numbers done. 645 goes with 3, 3 2s, 3 1s, 3 5s, 3 7s, 1s. No. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s. 3 7s are 21. So 3's table doesn't work out here. 5 table. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s. So you can observe 43 is there, na? 43. So 43 get cancelled. 11 by 50. What about the fourth one? What about the fourth one? Simplification for fourth one. In the same way you do it. I think now this is also same. 1095 goes in 3 table, but 1168 not. So do prime factorization separately. 1095 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 6s are 18, 5s are 15. Now again 5 table, 5 7s are 35, 3. So 3 into 5 into 73. Now 1168. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 4s, 2 2s are 9s are 2s are 1 4 6 73.
16 into 7.
So 3 into 5 into 73. 2 power 4 అంటే 16 into 73. So 73 get cancelled. 15 by 16. 23 by 24, 23 by 31, 11 by 15, 15 by 60. Standard forms. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see some real life situations in LCM and HCF. Mahaganadhipataye. Thank you very much. Click on the like button and leave the class. You are forgetting to click on the like button, right? Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Okay, sir. Akhilat Tamina. You are saying okay, but there is no likes. Do we have holiday tomorrow? Why? This week you are having only 3 days school. Why you are asking like that? Only 3 days. Tomorrow is there again. Day after tomorrow Ramjan. And again one more Friday is there. Then Saturday, Sunday, second Saturday, Sunday holidays. Many holidays you are getting, na? Thank you very much. Bye.